Hi everyone, and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into ScaffoldIQ and we're going to show you how to filter between your scaffolds and requests in your map view. Let's get started. When it comes to filtering on your map view, obviously you can switch between your scaffolds and requests just by using this tab here. You also have your area view of what is happening for these areas. Only show your scaffolds or requests, depending what you're in, of the works that needs to happen. And then you have your main filter. So now I'm in scaffolds. As you can see, these options are available in regards to what I need to do, and I can simply just turn them off on what I do not want to see by clicking apply. Or in this option as well, I have these sections here where I can check off what's only assigned to me, what I'm a member of, and what I'm watching. So just simply check these off of what you're wanting to view, tick off what you don't want to see, click apply, and then it'll organize your map view in regards to your scaffolding. And then same for requests. If I go into requests, into my filter again, I have different options available now in regards to what's happening on my map view. And same again, just check off what you don't need to see, what's not relevant, click apply, and it'll alter your page to your preference. And there you go. I hope this helps. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come. And if you'd like to know more regarding this process, reach out to our support team today. Thanks for watching.